Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Wells Fargo for exchange deposits step by step clearly. To register with Wells Fargo for exchange deposits, start by visiting the Wells Fargo website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign On button in the top right corner. Click on that button to access the login page. If you already have an account, enter your username and password to log in. If you don't have an account, click on the Enroll link, typically found below the login fields. You will be directed to the enrollment form. Fill in your personal information, including your name, social security number, and date of birth. Next, enter your email address and phone number for contact purposes. Create a unique username and password for your online banking account. Make sure your password meets the security requirements outlined on the screen. After filling out the form, carefully review your information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Continue button to proceed. You may be asked to verify your identity through a security question or code sent via email or phone. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. Once verified, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully created. Now, log into your account using the newly created username and password. Navigate to the Payments section on the dashboard. Look for the option labeled Exchange Deposits. Follow the instructions provided to set up your exchange deposit preferences. You may need to provide additional information about your business and deposit needs. Complete the required fields and agree to the terms and conditions. Review all information one last time before clicking Submit. After submitting, you should receive a confirmation regarding. You can now access your exchange deposit options whenever you log into your Wells Fargo account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.